We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2017 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. Floorboards, 107 Milwaukee 8 engine. It's this beautiful blue color. We have the leather covers on top of the locking saddlebag lids. Luggage rack, it is quick release, and so is the passenger backrest. There's the nice tall windshield. This bike does have ABS, engine guards. And it also has those nice speakers. We're keyless, we run off of a fob, and miles are 14,105. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week.